This is a water filtration system and it is reverse osmosis. And I live in a rental. I went with this countertop one. This particular one that I got filters out up to 300 gallons of water per day. Reverse osmosis takes out everything. So it's taking out thousands of, chemicals from the water, but it's also stripping it of the minerals, the natural minerals. So the particular one that I got remineralizes the water. So there's a lot of different ways that you can remineralize your water by getting some drops and remineralizing your water, or you could even use like Himalayan sea salt or Celtic salt and put that in the water. But I went ahead and went with this filtration system. Very excited about this. I'm gonna save a lot of money, a lot of trips to the store. I'm gonna get this out of its box and I'm gonna set it up. Okay, I love that it has this quick start guide here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I'm filling up the bin with tap water right now. Then I'm gonna put it back, I'm gonna plug it in, and we're gonna see how this works. Put it back in, put the lid on. Let's go ahead and plug this in. Okay, it sounds like it's already starting. And then I just put my cup here and it's gonna dispense out of there. Put it back, plug and use, press, okay. So it's automatically already doing its thing. Filters have already been pre-installed, but I need to do an internal flush with it since this is the first time that I'm ever using it. Plug it in, the system will automatically initiate internal flushing for 30 seconds before stopping, which it has. Okay, press the dispense button, just did that. The system will continuously filter and start to dispense the pure water until the feed water tank reaches the minimum water level. Anytime I replace the filter cartridges, which another reason why I got this one was because I don't have to change the filters very often. Now it has reached the minimum. So I'm gonna dump this out and I'm gonna fill it up again. Okay, so I just filled it up and I'm already getting fresh water out of there. I can't believe how fast that works. All right, so I've ran water through here. It says do a minimum of 3 times. So I did it 4 times. And I did want to say that this is a 6-stage water purifier. So it goes through 6 stages. It removes 99.9% of contaminants. There's 3 filters in here. Each filter does something different. There are 3 different filters that work with removing 99.9% of bacteria and viruses and contaminants. I go ahead and just pour myself some water. And I love that there was no plumbing or installation. Literally just took it out of the box and plugged it in. So this is perfect for renters or anyone that doesn't want to deal with putting together a whole system, plumbing and all of that. This is 1.3 gallons of water. So then after it's filled up where you want it, you just push this button again and it shuts it off.
This is a really terrific water filtration system. Everything that you see here comes assembled just like you see it here. The only thing that you need to do is take this little drip tray and put it into place. There's a magnet here and it kind of hugs to the wall here. But what you're going to do is take your instructions and follow your internal flushing steps here. You're basically going to fill the tank to the maximum line, press the flushing button, put a container underneath, and then press the center button. And what it's going to do, it's going to flush the filters that are inside here with this water. And when it gets down, the tank empties down to here, the system will automatically shut off. Lift the tank, dump the remaining water, fill it back up with tap water to the max line, put it into place, press flushing again, and go through the process again. You do that 3 to 5 times. I did it 5 times, and then on the 6th time, I'm filling it up with tap water, and now I'm ready to go. Fill it up with your tap water to your max line, and I don't have to flush it anymore. I would just be pressing the center button, which is dispensing my water. When you want to stop dispensing, just press that button again. In about 5 minutes, this screen will go dark. It's kind of in a sleep mode. And to wake it up, you would just press this center button to wake it up and press it again to start. the water tastes delicious. It tastes like air. It's extremely clear. There's no particles, but it tastes like air. It's it's weird. It tastes like nothing because it's so clean. I just love everything about it. And the filters are going to last a long time. And to replace them, they were very affordable, I thought. I do want to point out that be sure to read these instructions and have them handy, because when you do need to change your filters, you'll need to refer to these pages here. And your filters are labeled here, and they will blink as they need to be changed. So again, keep your booklet handy and enjoy it. I love it. I think it's a great product.
I test the water with alkaline and other components, and the test result is that in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tests, the test says the water is not alkaline. The water is totally acid. It's totally acid. Hmm.